loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing my FabFitFun winter box unboxing. I am so excited for this box, you guys. I was able to customize a few of the things, and I can't even remember what I customized, but I remember when I was doing it thinking, man, these are going to be good, and I'm so excited. I have not even peeked. I cannot wait to see what's in there. If you guys aren't familiar with FabFitFun, I always have coupon codes. It's $10 off, which brings the box down to $39.99. It is seasonal, so it comes summer, spring, or I should do this in order. Winter, spring, summer, fall. So currently we are on the winter box. I recently just put on my add-ons, so if you are not familiar with those, basically before your box comes, you're able to add on discounted products. So like really nice products that are discounted that you can add onto your box, so that when your box comes, you also get some little extra goodies that were like, you know, at a really affordable price. So that's always really exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and link that video down below so that you guys can check that one out. But today I have partnered up with FabFitFun to unbox the winter box and show you guys what came in mine and what I did to tweak it. It's really fun that now that you're able to customize your box so that you guys have options if you're not always gonna like every single thing that comes. So now you're able to pick between things that kind of suits you or your wants or your needs better. It is a lifestyle box, so you get a little bit of fashion, beauty, skincare, sometimes even snacks. What else do they have in there? Sometimes there's like workout gear. It's just kind of like a good all-around lifestyle box, so there's always a lot of different things to choose from. So the products that are inside the box are well over $200 worth of products, and you're only paying $39.99 if you use my coupon code. I believe it's going to be Sam. I don't have it just yet. I will leave that in the description box, and that saves you $10 off of your first box, and then after that it would be $49.99 like every 3 months. It's for the season. They are shipping to the UK now, which is super exciting because I know I have a lot of UK followers that sometimes I feel so bad because you guys aren't able to get in on the fun. So now if you are in the UK, you can get this box shipped to you, which is super duper exciting. So I think we should just go ahead and get into it. So this is what the box looks like. Ooh, this one feels heavy. For this month, so it is very winter appropriate. It has a little festive scene with snow and trees, and she's ice skating, and it's just like this gorgeous little pink and blue sky. But like the whole box is adorable. This girl's, she's walking her dog in the snow. Really cute. I actually save all the boxes because they are amazing for storage, and I keep them in my closet, and then it also looks really cute. So this one is in support of women's Alzheimer's movement. So inside, when you open it up, even the inside is cute. It's pink with little trees and birds and little ice skating like ponds, snowy scenes. You always get a little magazine right here that kind of gives you a little bit info about the products that are inside. It also gives you coupons for some different products. There's like a little winter crossword puzzle. There is a, let's see, member spotlight, some little blurbs about empowered women. Ooh, some little recipes, gluten-free peanut butter cookies, gingy cookies. It has ideas of how to style some of the products that you get in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it to this page so that we know what everything is worth. I do have like a little, I think this is just like a little sponsored thing. It's a $100 off coupon, any purple mattress, and then it gives you like a little sample of what the mattress feels like. Kind of feels like a crumpet. And then there's also a little FabFitFun coupon, and these are always full-size products, you guys, so it's pretty much super exciting. The first thing I see is the Adorn Stack and Sparkle bracelet. This is a organic circle bracelet. It's beautifully crafted with an asymmetrical shape featuring rose gold plating and a Swarovski crystal. So this one is very cute. Look at that, adorable. This one retails for $39. So right there with my coupon code, you have paid for your entire box. I feel like I cannot do anything with these nails, to be honest. I don't know why I get them. I literally cannot do crap with them. I'm always having to ask Jay, can you put on my necklace? Can you put on my bracelet? Can you do this? Can you do that? Oh, that's super cute. That looks really adorable. It's very dainty. Next, we have the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. Oh my gosh, how funny. I literally just spoke about a coffee scrub the other day. It's gonna be up by the time you guys watch this, but I have been using a coffee scrub in the shower. This one is basically just a coffee scrub. Almond oil, Robusta coffee, vitamin E, sea salt, and the packaging is really, really cute. $16.95. Next we have a candle. Woohoo! I think this is one of the ones that I had the choice on, and I think this is what I chose. This is the Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel Scented Candle. It's massive. It retails for $48. It says, let the notes of an aquatic breeze, marine salt, orange blossom, mimosa, and driftwood take you on an instant sensory getaway. I'm so excited for this. Oh God, please don't break before I even get the chance to open it. Ooh, it's very chic. It's just a plain white candle, and then inside it has like a little bit of a blue rim. Oh, it smells like the ocean. It smells very kind of fresh, marine. Just smells like a bathroom. Like, I definitely think this would be a lovely candle to have in your bathroom, like on your bath or on your counter. Then we have the Makeup Eraser. Makeup Eraser in Original Pink. From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. Looks like that. So that is super fun. I think I have one of these actually. Beret Sidekick Crossbody Bag. This is $17.99. And I think this was one of the things that I got to choose. Yeah, it's super cute. It's like for workout, kind of like everyday running around. And it's just a cute little crossbody with a little strap here. I just love crossbodies. They're my favorite. How cute is that? It's just like a nice little gray color. Looks like a little camera bag or something. Okay, next we have the Bluetooth shower speaker. This is fun. This is basically a water resistant speaker to blast and sing along to your favorite tunes at up to a 32 foot range. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. It has a little thing that you can stick onto your shower, and then look how cute that is. What an adorable little speaker. There we go. Isn't that so cute? I love that. That's gorgeous. Love the design. You can phone call people? What? And that retails for $30. I don't know if I told you that or not. This is the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Typical, I literally just bought a new leave-in. This one comes in every single box. This one retails for $23. It's a lightweight detangler, uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat and leaves hair soft and conditioned. Dry Bar is a really great brand. I like their dry shampoo. They have a really awesome one. I love the packaging of this one because it's like that really pretty soft pink. Next we have the Cuccio, oh, I probably said that wrong, Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash with lavender oil. $39.95. This one says, calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamin B5, and shea butter. Oh my gosh, it smells basically like you're at the spa. It's exactly like lavender. Super lovely. And it has a pump top, so I'm very excited to use that. So I got 8 full-size products. I love everything. I'm super excited to try out that body wash because that smells amazing. That candle is delightful. That little bag is adorable. The scrub, I know coffee scrubs are awesome. The only problem is that they leave such a mess in your bathroom. Like when you shower with them, it's literally coffee everywhere. So that's a bit of a pain. Are they worth the mess? It really depends on how soft you want to be. But there you go. There is everything that came inside of my FabFitFun. And again, these are customizable now, so not every single box is going to be the same. And you guys have the options to switch things up with your subscription. So definitely look into that. If you do want to upgrade, I think that you're able to get even more customizable options. But yeah, it's super cool, super fun, and I always love everything that I get in my box. Huge thanks again to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video. I always love my FabFitFun boxes. They are just so much fun and I love them every single season. It is like Christmas every time they come. So I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.